Join me as I dive into the world of crypto trading and challenge myself to turn a small investment into something big. Let's see how far I can go. The world of cryptocurrency trading is booming, and it's no surprise why. With the rise of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and countless others, the potential for making a profit has never been more accessible. People from all walks of life are jumping into the market, and it's clear that crypto trading is here to stay. One major reason people stay away from trading crypto is a misconception that it's too complex. Many think that you need to be a tech genius or a financial wizard to navigate the markets, but that's simply not true. While it's true that the crypto space can be complex, getting started with trading is easier than you think. Another fear is the volatility of the market. It's true that crypto prices can swing wildly, but with the right strategy and mindset, you can navigate these fluctuations and come out on top. Volatility can be intimidating, but it's also what makes the market so exciting. With the right approach, you can learn to manage risk and capitalize on opportunities. And then there's a misconception that you need a lot of money to start trading. In reality, you can start small and gradually build your portfolio. The key is to educate yourself and take it one step at a time. Common misconceptions also include the idea that trading crypto is like gambling. It's not. Trading involves strategy, research, and a solid understanding of market trends. You are not just guessing. You are making informed decisions based on data and analysis. And, of course, there's a fear of losing money. It's natural to worry about losses, but being prepared and knowledgeable can significantly minimize your risks. Learning from others and sharing experiences can also help you stay ahead of the game. Getting started with trading is easier than you might think. First, you'll need to choose a reputable exchange where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Look for one with a user-friendly interface and robust security features. Next, you'll need to set up a digital wallet to store your coins. There are many types of wallets to choose from, so do your research to find one that fits your needs. Understanding market trends is also crucial. Take some time to learn about technical analysis and how to read charts. This will help you make more informed trading decisions. If you've had any experiences with trading crypto, I'd love to hear about them. Leave a comment below and share your story. And if you're interested in taking your trading to the next level, be sure to check out my next video where we'll dive into advanced trading strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.